you about the compost in the landscaping. 1. The compost is formed by the decomposition of organic products that is formed from residues such as fruit residues, vegetables, leaves, eggs, salt, and tea bags. 2. The compost serves to fertilize the soil, and in this way the plants look healthier and flower more strongly. It provides the necessary nutrients for the development of plants naturally.
Hello, my name is Maria Jose. I am from 5D and I am going to explain you how the composting helps to the soil recovery. Composting helps soil recovery because after processing it becomes a compost that nourishes plants and helps plants and soil recover.
Hello, my name is Sophia and I tell you for composting in agriculture. Composting is a process of transformation of organic matter to obtain compost, a natural fertilizer. Compost has many uses, being the fundamental one as organic fertilizer in agriculture. It acts on the soil as an organic amendment mainly, and one the other on plant special, acting as an organic fertilizer or fertilizer and cultivate substrate. Some examples of crops where compost has been poured are the following: field crops: potatoes, tobacco, strawberry, corn, beets, barley, and rice. Greenhouse crops: tomatoes, onion, lettuce. Forest crops: poplar, eucalyptus, carom, hoal oak, corn oak, stone pine. Thank you for your listening. Bye!
Hello, my name is Sofia, and I am on the group of the PRAE. As you know, the nature is dying more and more by the contamination, but as we can help the plants to grow, clear with the compost. When you go to the kitchen, you see a lot of organic waste, but most of the time we didn't know what should with them. This is my kitchen, and the organic waste are in this garbage. Or what is the important to compost our organic waste?
It is true, Sophie. The best way to do is the composting is a very powerful tool that allows us to preserve our ecosystems and grow in a sustainable way. Through composting, we convert organic waste, such as food scraps, fruit peels, and others, into compost, which in turn can be used as fertilizer.
Yes, hello. Also, composting serves as a substrate of nursing, seedlings or edible mushrooms. It also serves as a biodiversification and biological control.
For a compost, we can use a bucket or a bin or any kind of container. The most important has to wait and make some tiny holes because this compost could be oxygenated. Also, we are going to need a lamp because we have to make different layers of air and organic material. The first layer and the final one is going to be of the land because it has to cover the organic material.
We have to prepare the organic materials. The organic materials in really small pieces. The smaller you could prepare it, the more easily it will decompose it. The organic materials we can have eggshells, shells on fruit and vegetables, and house plants, or carton, paper, and tea bag, and on coffee or cotton, and no more.
Remember that you cannot decompose meat, fish, fats, bones, dairy products. These products can overheat your composting. So, not to mention make it stinky and attract animals.
Keep your compost moist. Water occasionally or let the rain do the job. The compost should be moist, but not soaked. Cover it with anything you have. Covering helps to retain moisture and heat, two essentials for compost.
Every few weeks, give the pile a quick turn with a shovel. This aerates the pile, oxygen is required for the process to work, and turn it adds oxygen mixing or turning. The compost pile is the key to aerating the composting materials and speeding to the process of completion.